In this video, I will explain how to replace a regular bathroom faucet by yourself. This water faucet is outdated. It has tap boxes. They constantly leak, and as a result, water drips, and they do not close. The old faucet has valve cartridges that are constantly leaking. The shower diverter has also lost its seal, and water starts to flow both into the spout and the shower. The shower diverter is also leaking, not sealed properly, and therefore, when the faucet is turned on, water comes out of the shower head, which is very unpleasant. I purchased a new faucet from the Domino brand. The brand is not very cheap. It's mid-range. There's even an installation and operation manual in Ukrainian and Russian, and warranty terms are provided for 1 year. There are no more faucet handles, but there is a nice lever that controls the cartridge, which turns the water on and off, to the left and right. First of all, you need to dismantle the old one. To do this, turn off the cold and hot water and begin dismantling. Now open the cold and hot taps and release the pressure in the water supply system. After that, take an adjustable wrench and unscrew the nuts securing the faucet to the Eccentrics. Now unscrew the decorative covers of the Eccentrics by hand. New and old Eccentrics are mostly the same. Therefore, you can leave the old Eccentrics if there were no issues with them, and these will be spares. If you are going to replace them, unscrew them using the same wrench. The old ones grasping the central part. Then, wrap the thread on the new part with PTFE tape or tow and screw it into the plumbing. It is necessary to use a level to set a strict horizontal alignment, so that both parts of the Eccentrics are at the same level. Now take the new mixer body and attach the new spout and shower hose to it. Now, place the shower hose and head into the cap. There is already a silicone gasket here, which is very nice. Then we attach new pads to the Eccentric. We take the two rubber gaskets and place them in the mixer body nuts. And screw them onto the Eccentrics. Then we take this cover and place it under the nuts to avoid scratching and tighten with a wrench. Connect the shower hose nuts, the shower head. There is also a silicone gasket here. Don't forget to put it in if it's missing. Tighten by hand. No wrenches are needed here because this coupling can crack if tightened. After this, you need to turn on the water and check for any leaks. There are no leaks at the nuts. Now we mark the location for the shower rail mount. It equals half the width of the bathtub. And I attach the shower head to its mount. In the end, we have a nice looking mixer with a mount for the shower head. I think it will last for a long time.